7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Eden Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. We have a green day in the market right here. There's a lot of uncertainty in the crypto market. People have been thinking the market will dump because of Russia invading Ukraine. US have imposed some sanctions on Russia. We don't know where crypto stands. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market, but right now we have a green day in the market and Bitcoin is above 40,000. Guys, we're talking about Bitcoin here, right? It went to 33,000, and when it actually came to 34,000, I was telling you guys in all my previous videos I was expecting Bitcoin to hold. I told you guys to buy fear. This video I said don't sell low and buy high, and Bitcoin bounce. I was signaling the warning that the bounce is coming, and guys, it looks as if we are in the bounce right here. We're talking about that in this video and more. But first, guys, before we go on, I want to show you guys my course. If you are new here, this is my course I made, Crypto Made Easy. Learn how to make millions trading and investing in cryptocurrency. You should check it out. I'll put a link in the description. And guys, let's start talking about Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is trading above $40,000. Some few weeks ago, $40,000 would have been, oh my god, Bitcoin is dumping. But right now, we have been in the trenches for a very long time that $40,000 actually look like a steal. Now, Bitcoin has been finding it hard to pass above $40,000. When it crashed below $40,000 on the 21st of January 2021, we went as low as 32,000. Then we grinded our way back up to 45,000 as we're getting to the end of February. It just happens every time with Bitcoin, and when we're getting to the end of the month, we either have a massive pump or a massive dump. Let's look at what happened in December. When we are almost ending December right here, you can see that Bitcoin was struggling to hold this 45k region. And when we got to December 28, 29, and when we got to the 3rd of January, what happened? We had that crash, and after then we had to come to 32k to test the low. In all my previous videos, I've been telling you guys I was expecting Bitcoin to come to this region, and I showed you guys this level where I was expecting Bitcoin to find its bottom. We talked about that in the previous video where Bitcoin should find its bottom around 35k to 32k region. It looks as if Bitcoin has found its bottom at the 34k region, and right now we're above 40k. We're entering a new month. I'm expecting March to be very bullish. I've been making videos about Altseason. A lot of people have been in my comment section telling me how will I be expecting Altseason when the market is dumping. Guys, if you have been in this market long enough, when the market is dumping, you'll be expecting the pump. And when the market is pumping, guess what you'll be expecting? You should also be expecting the dump. But right now, I don't believe we're dumping just yet. I believe we still have a lot of room to pump. Now, the market is not going to go straight line to 50, 55k or anywhere our target is. We're going to have some little dumps on the way. But if you use this Fibonacci extension tool, from the top of Bitcoin at 69,000 to the bottom where I think we're bottomed at right now, at 33,000, you can see right here the first resistance that will be hard for us to pass. We just actually passed that resistance not long ago, beginning of February. We actually passed that 41,000 region. If Bitcoin can actually flip that 42,000 region, then the next place that will be hard for us to pass is that 46,000 region. The pump we had in February could get only as high as 45,000 before we went back to test $34,000. I will see right here if Bitcoin can actually pass 46,000 in the month of March. Guess what? All coins will be pumping, and you can see right here, guys, we have a green day in the market as Bitcoin actually is rallying. Those alts are actually rallying, and these are the signs of Altseason I've been talking about. Guys, you can see right here, Bitcoin has rallied just 7%, and all the altcoins are going with it. Now, at some point in time in this rally, the altcoins will take over from Bitcoin, but right now, Bitcoin is showing us the way. Bitcoin is showing us that there's still way upwards. And now, if we're looking at the weekly chart of Bitcoin, this is a weekly chart of Bitcoin. This indicator now is called the MACD. You can see right here that what we're doing right here, we're mimicking what we did right here when we found the bottom in June, July period. When we found the bottom, almost the same thing is happening right here. So you can see right here that even when we're in this light red region, when the momentum was showing us that the dump is almost over, that was when Bitcoin started its pump. And right now, it's showing us that the momentum is almost over and Bitcoin is starting its pump. So I'm expecting us to enter a green momentum where we'll actually have the pump, but I don't expect the pump to go very high. I don't expect Bitcoin to set a new all-time high. You can see that the weekly chart is showing us right here, and I think we're going to have a very, very bullish March. Altseason is going to be crazy. A lot of these altcoins are going to go crazy, and this is the total crypto market cap right here is still below $1.8 trillion. We were actually above $2 trillion in the month of February. That's the place we'll be looking to flip. We'll be looking to flip this region in the month of March. We'll be looking to see if the total crypto market cap can go above $2 trillion. If we go above $2 trillion, then we're in for business. You can see that pump that we had in February took us just barely above $2 trillion. We could barely scratch it. We couldn't turned that resistance to support, and we had to come back down to test the lows. But right now we're heading towards $2 trillion. We're currently at $1.78 trillion. If we can head there, boom, we're in business. And you can see Bitcoin right here, the volume has increased in the last 24 hours. With the whole Russia-Ukraine thing, somebody would have expected that crypto would have been tanking. It actually started tanking, but I actually don't believe the news, guys. I'm not a huge fan of the news. I don't actually watch the news because I believe the news is designed to keep you in fear and anxiety. All the chart analysis I've been doing, I actually don't need to watch the news. Is when I started hearing that, oh, Russia invaded Ukraine, yada, yada, yada. I started following the news, and it was very, very shocking to me that Bitcoin was doing exactly what we expected it to do without the news. With or without the news, Bitcoin came as low as $33,000, and that was without the news. Then we pumped to 45,000, and as God will have it, Russia invaded Ukraine. That's a bad thing, right? But Bitcoin didn't actually go below that 33,000. I was in so many groups, people are calling for 20,000, 28,000, saying we're in a bear market. But guys, for us, we have to remember something very, very important right here. Bitcoin has actually been dumping since when it hit an all-time high of 69,000. And Bitcoin has dumped over 50%. Bitcoin actually dumped 51% since when it hit its all-time high. And if there's anything you can know with Bitcoin, if you can check the charts since when the inception of Bitcoin, is that Bitcoin doesn't go down in a straight line. At some point in time, a retracement will come in. Let's look at the dump we had in May right here. The dump we had in May right here was a 52% dump. And what happened? We had a retracement here, and then the market discovered that, oh, we could still go for one leg up, and went and set new all-time high. So at least on the bottom, like my lowest expectation for Bitcoin right here is for us to have a retracement either to the 0.618 of Fibonacci extension to, that's around 55,000, to maybe 58, 60,000 region. But I expect Bitcoin in the month of March or early April to go above 55,000, and that's not a huge ask for Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin already showed us that it can pump that hard. For Bitcoin to get to that region, Bitcoin just has to increase it 35%. That's barely 11% every day for the next 30 days. And that is very, very possible with Bitcoin. And with the whole way the world is right now, where people cannot withdraw money from their banks in Ukraine, people in Russia cannot withdraw money, people are realizing the real need for cryptocurrency to hold your own wealth. You can't just wake up one day and your government will tell you you can't withdraw your money. Today, the Russian ruble already lost 50% of its value against the dollar. So a lot of people are just getting poorer because they are holding a national currency and they are doing nothing. They got poorer for doing nothing, and that's why crypto is here, for you to control your wealth, for you to have a say in your own future. Nobody can seize your Bitcoin. That's why people have been saying get your Bitcoin off exchanges, get your crypto off exchanges, get a hardware wallet. And we're seeing in real time right here the use case for crypto. You can see Bitcoin right here. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to that $1 trillion market cap region. Currently it's at $769 billion. That $1 trillion region for Bitcoin looks like a very sweet spot where a lot of hype will come in. A lot of people start talking about Bitcoin, how Bitcoin is the future. We're going to the moon. And a lot of people are focusing on Bitcoin right now. You can see that Ukraine actually tweeted their Bitcoin and Ethereum addresses for donations. When the whole Putin thing started and money could get into them, they actually tweeted their Bitcoin and Ethereum address. Do you know what that's telling us, guys? It means crypto is here to stay. If a nation is asking for donation using Bitcoin, what do you think the citizens will do? The citizens too will have to adopt Bitcoin at some point in time. Guess what, guys? If you're a Russian citizen right now, you can't spend your fiat currency. The sanctions imposed on them by the US government is going to stop trade, it's going to stop a lot of things. But nobody can stop your crypto. You can still sell your crypto for money at any point in time. And I think that's what is driving the crypto market right now, because Russia will find a way to circumvent all these sanctions that US is placing on it. And I think that what will drive the next crypto bull run or next Altseason. I don't think Bitcoin is setting a new all-time high. I think Ethereum might barely or will not set a new all-time high. But we'll see how that goes. Now, Ethereum right now is above $2,800. Ethereum has been holding that $3,000 region for a very long time, and if Bitcoin crashes, what happens? The whole market goes with Bitcoin. But you can see right now Ethereum too has actually pumped with Bitcoin on the day. Ethereum is showing us that if Bitcoin is going, I'm going, and I believe these two coins are the leaders in the market. Anything these two coins are doing in the market, you want to be paying close attention. Now we'll be expecting the monthly close for Bitcoin today. I don't know where Bitcoin is going to close, but I suspect Bitcoin will probably close above $40,000 today. You can see this pump right here. This is a hard pump. Bitcoin might be ranging, but when the pump comes, the pump is actually violent. And right now, I'm expecting to see probably before the end of today 41,000 Bitcoin. Maybe we'll enter March. The 1st or 2nd of March, Bitcoin should go to 42,000, 43,000. And drop a comment in the comment section and tell me, what do you think? Do you think this Russian-Ukrainian whole issue is what will help adoption of crypto into greater heights? Because right now a lot of people are actually seeing the use case for crypto. And guys, if you want to see my other videos, you can check my other videos right here where I talk about what I expect from the crypto market. I've been talking about various altcoins. I will still be bringing you guys more altcoins I'm doing some research on, but you can check the ones I've put here right now. Don't always sell your crypto when there's fear in the market. You want to sell when there's greed. And when we get to greed, when I'm selling my crypto, guess what, guys? I'm going to be telling you guys. You can see right here, Ethereum too is following this retracement, just like Bitcoin. You can see Ethereum is actually doing what it did in July region, where the dump is over, but people will not believe that the dump is over. So probably when we start getting into this region where there's green momentum, same thing with Bitcoin. People will not believe this dump is over. They will think we're faking out. But once Bitcoin can take off, this high is set just as early as February 10th. If Bitcoin can come to 46,000, people will start getting bullish. They'll start FOMO buying. All the people that sold, they are still holding their fiat currency. Many of them sold just to hold their USDT, their BUSD. Many of them, their money is still in crypto. When they see all the coins going up, what do you think they will do, guys? They are going to start FOMO buying this crypto, and that's what I was advocating for you not to sell your crypto. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please, of course, subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Guys, if you want to follow me for more updates, you can check me on Twitter, Facebook, on Telegram, and on YouTube. It's Mr. Legend Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.